very handsome, the very talented Shahid Kapoor. Shahid, Shahid, we would request you to share a few words on your association with Easy Take It Easy. Please give him the mic.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's awesome to be here. I'm here as brand ambassador for Certex Easy, Mr. Ahuja. His family, extended family, children, they're all here, and we're all very excited to take this association forward. बहुत खुशी है. We're all very happy. As you can see, I am taking it easy in Certex Easy. So yeah.
So the floor is now open for Q&A. If you have any questions, you can start.
So you must trust the people that are leading that product or own that product or make that product. तो सबसे पहली चीज़ वो होती है. I felt very comfortable when I met the family and I met Mr. Ahuja and his nature seemed very very nice और he seemed very focused on making a really good product और बहुत sincere और बहुत मेहनती उनका attitude है. So I felt that these are the kind of people that I should associate with. I think brand की एक क्वालिटी होती है तो क्वालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. जब आप खुद पहने उस चीज़ को तो आपको कंफर्टेबल फील होना चाहिए और आपको ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यार मैं इस चीज़ में कंफर्टेबल हूँ. एंड इफ दैट हैपेंस देन यू नो द एसोसिएशन मूव्स फॉरवर्ड. एज फार एज Certex Easy is concerned, I really enjoyed wearing the product and I'm wearing it right now and I really like it.
Thank you, sir.
सर आपके सवालों से कभी कभी मैं अनईजी हो जाता हूँ. उसके अलावा तो मैं काफ़ी ईजी हूँ. आप इजी हैं सर?
Anybody who...
जी जी ज़रूर. Sir, it's like any other product. If you feel comfortable, if you like the product, if you think the quality is good, and if you're comfortable with the kind of product it is, then you should do it. And I felt very comfortable.
Who wants to ask the next question? Next question, I said.
जी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. विशाल भारद्वाज और मैं तीसरी बार साथ में फिल्म कर रहे हैं और 24 फरवरी को रंगून रिलीज़ हो रही है. अभी पब्लिसिटी हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं. फरवरी का महीना शुरू हो गया है. सो वी विल ऑल स्टार्ट promoting the film. We just went on coffee with Karan also. Me, Saif, Kangana, all three of us were on coffee with Karan to promote Rangoon as well. We'll start our city visits also very soon. बहुत खुशी है. We are all very excited and we hope that everybody likes the film. बहुत मेहनत से फिल्म बनाई है और विशाल सर के साथ हर फिल्म बहुत स्पेशल होती है.
Your look is quite लोग बहुत चर्चा करें, looking very smart in the look. So the entire promotion you will be having this look.
This look or that look? ये तो फिलहाल actually आई एम शूटिंग फॉर पद्मावती. तो ये हाफ लुक है पद्मावती की. आधी हम लोग छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इट्स अ पीरियड ड्रामा. तो आप जानते हैं कि उसमें काफ़ी सारे अलग अलग एलिमेंट्स भी होंगे. तो ये फिलहाल पद्मावती के आसपास टाइप की लुक है. तो फिलहाल मैं उसी में हूँ.
Hi Shahid, Neha from ZTC. I'm so sorry guys.
Hey Neha, what's up?
Hi. Other than Easy, which is your favorite brand?
Sorry, what?
Other than Easy, which
Other
is...
than Easy, what's my... I am only thinking about Certex Easy right now. In this room today, we will only talk about Certex Easy, no other brand.
Okay, cool, cool. Thank you.
Easily to you in life.
What are the things that come
came
easily to my life?
to you in your life?
Do things really come easily in life? Well, as a husband, the baby came very easily in my life because I didn't have to do much work to produce it. So yeah, maybe Misha came easily for me. Maybe not for Meera. can ask questions. Huh? Don't stress. Everybody's trying to. Color preferences with regard to the banyan or in life in general? आप क्लियर सवाल पूछो जाके आप फिर दिस आंसर शुड नॉट बी हाँ बोलिए चड्डी हो या बनियान आपका फेवरेट कलर कौन सा है इन चड्डी और बनियान ब्लैक चड्डी मेरा कोई प्रेफरेंस नहीं है फिट अच्छा होना चाहिए और फील इजी होना चाहिए
Hi, Shahid. Hi, Shahid.
Hello,
Hi.
hi.
Kanika from iCarmic. Hi, here.
I can't see you.
Just straight. Here, hi.
Hi.
Okay, hi. So, Shahid, you've been recently just released the cover of Bazaar, and you were styled by Kunal Rawal, right? And you have been associated with Kunal Rawal like since a very long time. So why is
Has Kunal Rawal sent you? हाँ, you know him?
no?
बचपन की दोस्ती या कुछ और?
तो आपके बचपन के दोस्त हैं वो. So in LFW, will you be walking for him or something?
He's already done his presentation. I think on the first of.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
sorry.
I was
I'm
not
so
in
sorry.
town. I think
Yeah, okay.
Varun walked for
Varun
him.
walked for
I
him.
think Arjun was also there.
Yeah.
So he has a lot of friends in the industry, so he never falls short of a showstopper. But I'd always love to work. He's a friend of mine. We spend a lot of time together, and he's one of my favorite designers.
Yeah.
And whenever he tells me to put something on, I'm happy to do it for him. This time I was out of town, but yeah,
I'm sorry,
he's
my
somebody I'd
bad.
always do that for. Yeah.
Thank you.
सर पहले इस ब्रांड के अजय देवगन फेस थे उसके बाद शाहिद कपूर यहाँ जी अच्छा ठीक है आप बोलिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि शाहिद को चूज़ करने की कोई खास वजह
देखिए हमारे लिए तो आर्टिस्ट जो है और जो इनकी जो परछाई पड़ती है पूरी दुनिया पर पूरे देश पर यूथ को जो हमने ब्रांड को अभी टारगेट किया है यूथ जो है वो शाहिद कपूर को बहुत पसंद करते हैं हमारे पारिवारिक संबंध भी हैं जो देवगन साहब से लेकिन इसमें सबका एक टेन्योर रहता है उसके लिए इनका सहयोग हमें मिला हम इसके लिए इनको तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं
शाहिद आप बिजी हैं शूटिंग्स वगैरह में लेकिन कोई वैलेंटाइन डे स्पेशल प्लान्स हैं आपके मीरा के साथ
जी मैं वैलेंटाइंस डे पर प्रॉबली फिल्म को प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ फिर जैसे मैं रोज़ घर जाता हूँ मैं घर जाऊँगा और मैं रोज़ अपनी बीवी को बहुत सारा प्यार देता हूँ तो थोड़ा और प्यार देने की कोशिश करूँगा आप बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हो गई आपको लगा कि ये कुछ और बोलने वाला आपकी शादी हो गई या नहीं हुई है आप कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कभी आप ऐसे ऐसे करिए कभी आप ऐसे ऐसे करिए कभी ऐसे ऐसे इट्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फेसबुक पे आपका स्टेटस है हाँ अगेन शी इज लुकिंग लेफ्ट राइट नहीं हुई है आपकी शादी इसलिए आप समझ नहीं रही हैं Two genuine reasons. I really like the materials that they make the banyans in, and they make some 44 or 45 different types of banyans, and I have tried most of them, and I really like them. And I generally, like I said, I like the people, I like the brand, so it's pretty simple. It was not very complicated. That's not true. They're brands I've done in the past, and if I don't endorse them, somebody else has to endorse them. So I think that's very, it's natural progression, and I think Ajay sir is somebody who's fantastic. He's represented the brand in the past. In fact, that gives me more reason to appreciate the brand because somebody as credible as him has, has endorsed it in the past. It's one of the most credible brands in 2014. It was one of the most. Ek second, he'll tell you this.
I want to let you know this brand is Asia's most promising brand at 2014. That's right. Awarded by WCRC.
And in 2017, inshallah. Absolutely. तू खुद ही आके फोटो खींचता है फिर खुद ही मुझसे ऐसा सवाल पूछ रहा है जैसे मेरे हाँ या ना बोलने से कोई भी रुकने वाला है ये ऐसा ही है अपने बीच में ऐसे ही चलने वाला है अभी नाउ दिस इज इट वी हैव टू लर्न टू एंजॉय इट करेक्ट दैट्स इट हाँ, मैंने भी आर्टिकल पढ़ा कि मुझे गेन करना है वेट, तो मैंने कहा मैं थोड़ा गेन करता हूँ वेट. No, see, because when you're playing a king, you need to have a certain personality, and you need to, at that time, people used to not be very skinny or very lean. You need to have a manly personality. So basically, for that, to carry the outfits, the kind of outfits also that we have, Sanjay sir wants me to be a little muscular and a little full. But gaining weight is in terms of muscle, not in terms of fat or something like that. Not like that. Just to look more muscular, because I'm playing the character of a warrior. The Rajput kings were very, very. They had a very strong personality. So for that, he wants me to look a little more full. आप जो भी सवाल पूछोगे ना, मेरे को सिर्फ काली चड्डी नजर आने वाली है. आप पूछ लो आपको जो पूछना है अब. I think I spoke about it at the Dangal Success Party, so I don't really want to get into speaking about it too much, because now is not a good time. There's a good time to talk about everything. I just feel the film should get completed and people should see the film and they should judge it for what it is. I think we will continue shooting. I am promoting for Rangoon right now, so what I'm aware of is that I think they will resume shooting very soon, and we will complete the film and we will continue shooting with the film. And those are things that I don't really know the details of, because I'm promoting Rangoon right now. I will be joining shoot as soon as I finish promotions. That's what I'm aware of. I'll share a picture very soon. Very soon. I just maybe sometime this month, maybe on my birthday or something. Very soon. I'll share a picture. I'm just waiting for a special moment to share it, but I will soon. I'm actually introducing her to the paparazzi. I feel is slightly odd, but I'll put a picture of hers out, and happy to share her with everybody. And we are very happy to share her with everybody in any case. It's just that, no such occasion has happened, and then when it doesn't happen immediately, then you feel, acha, now when? And so now maybe we'll do it soon.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Shahid.
Good evening. कैसे हैं आप सुमित जी?
Just thank you. Sahuja, Mr. Ahuja, आप लोग मुंबई से हैं या मुंबई के बाहर से? Like where is you based all of you?
हम लोग कलकत्ता से हैं.
जी.
अब मुंबई में भी एक घर हो गया इनका, हमारा ही हो गया.
So when did you started this, and what was the vision starting of?
Yeah, 1983. It was 1983. हमारे बड़े भैया ने उनको होजरी में कहीं वो सर्विस करते थे और उन्होंने चालू किया छोटे पैमाने पे. फिर उन्होंने हमें जवाबदारी सौंपी और हम कलकत्ता आके, क्योंकि स्किल लेबर कलकत्ता में मिलता है और तिरुपुर में हमारी फैक्ट्री है, कोयम्बटूर में. वहाँ पर स्किल लेवल ज़्यादा सुविधा है मिलने की, रॉ मटेरियल. तो उसके हिसाब से अपना हमने वहाँ से कलकत्ता शिफ्ट किया रायपुर से, और अभी तक आपके सामने.
Shahid, आपने you started your clothing line also, and now you are associated with this also, this brand also. So this is a thoughtful decision, like coming out with your clothing line also, and.
So the clothing line was a decision which took a lot of work, because I had to actually develop the clothes. It was much easier here because they've already developed the brand. I just need to like what they have in mind. I need to appreciate it, and I need to feel that it's something that I would like to endorse. And so it was much easier for me. As far as easy is concerned, it was easy for me.
शायद ऐसा क्यों होता है कि जो हर जो मेजर स्टार है वो कहीं ना कहीं इनर वियर का मतलब ब्रांड से एसोसिएटेड ही होता है, जैसे लाइक सब लोग कहीं ना किसी ब्रांड से एसोसिएटेड ही हैं.
जी, तो innerwear is like any other brand. Is there anything particularly odd or out of place that you're asking that question?
No.
I don't see it as anything different as a brand. I would like to endorse something that I'm comfortable endorsing, and this is comfortable for me to endorse. Actually, what happened was there was a screening of Rangoon, and I was not invited for it. My dad was invited for it because Vishal sir has a long-standing relationship with him. So before he showed it to the official cast of the film, he wanted to share it with people who he wants to take their opinion. And so he had called my dad. So I reached there uninvited. That's why Saif and Kangana were not there, because they didn't know. I knew because my dad told me he's going to watch the film, so I just reached there because I was very excited to see his response. And I remember he walked out of the theater and he just looked at Vishal sir and he told him that, it is difficult to recognize my son in the film. He's playing Nawab Malik. I don't see Shahid Kapoor there. And that for me is a huge compliment, because my father doesn't say these things very often. He said it once during Heather. So for me, that was a very emotional moment, because he's very honest about these things and he's very honest to the art. तो वो कभी ऐसा कुछ कहेंगे नहीं जो he doesn't mean. So I wait for these compliments from him. So I was so happy that he liked my work in Rangoon, because any film with Vishal sir, I have to do better as an actor every time. That's the attempt that I make. And when somebody like my father feels that or says something like that, it really made my day that day. I was very, very happy.
So we will be taking last 3 questions.
Every film that you do, you wanted to do really well, yeah. So Rangoon is no different. It was a very difficult film to do. The kind of places that we shot, Arunachal Pradesh is a beautiful place, but we really went into the heartland and we actually went into the middle of the forest and there was no road. A lot of times we used to be traveling and we used to wait for 3 hours because it was a mud road and it was in the middle of the mountain. So the road used to, because of rain and things like that, the road used to just disappear suddenly. And then they used to make it again. So we really shot in some very extreme circumstances. So Rangoon is a film that's important for all of us. And we really want people to feel that they saw a good film. So the intent is to try and make a good film. I've been trying that for the last 3-4 years. Sometimes you get it right, sometimes you don't. But the last 3-4 years, I think I've been a part of some good films. Urta was one of those films. Heather was one of those films. Now we have an opportunity with Rangoon, and I feel Padmavati will definitely be one of those films. So just trying to do work that's qualitative, try and do films that are good. And if those films are appreciated and loved, that builds a certain trust in the mind of the audience. So, I think numbers come, and numbers, if you run after numbers, then, you lose credibility, you lose focus, you lose purpose, because you're just running after numbers. But the attempt is to do qualitative work, and hopefully in another 3 or 4 years, the audience will say that, if Shahid's doing a film, maybe we should give it a watch because he'll try and do something good. So I'm just trying to build that equity, and I think Rangoon falls in that category as a film. It's made by a credible filmmaker. It has the producer attached to the film is somebody who's known to make successful films and try and make good films, and he really backs his films. And I really think he's put a lot of money into the film to try and make sure it looks big, and nothing is not done. Sajid Bhai is somebody like that. And I think Kangana and Saif are great co-stars to have. So Rangoon is an important film. I hope that it's a good film. And if it's a good film, I'm sure it'll do well.
Hi Shahid, Tanya from E24. शाहिद बिकॉज यू आर अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ बॉलीवुड, जानना चाहूँगी जो फिल्म के जो किरदार होते हैं ना, उन्हें पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ जो हैं वो स्पूफ करके यूज़ कर रहे हैं अपने प्रमोशंस पे, इस पे आपकी क्या ओपिनियन है? क्या आपको लगता है कि फिल्म फर्टेनिटी के जो कैरेक्टर होते हैं उन्हें गलत तरीके से यूज़ किया जा रहा है प्रमोशंस के लिए?
जी मुझे पता नहीं आप किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रही हैं। आप कोई स्पेसिफिक चीज़ के बारे में बात करें?
या जैसे नरेंद्र मोदी का स्पूफ बनाया गया, नाउ अखिलेश यादव का यूपी इलेक्शंस के लिए, जैसे रईस को जो शाहरुख का किरदार है उसमें अखिलेश यादव के किरदार को फिट किया गया उनकी पार्टी के प्रमोशंस के लिए। तो बेसिकली
मैंने रईस देखी नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली, सो आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट सीन इट।
शाहिद आप उड़ता पंजाब कर चुके हैं, इसलिए एक सवाल है आपसे कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने में सिख समुदाय ने एक याचिका दायर की थी कि उनके ऊपर सिख समुदायों पर जो जोक्स बनते हैं उस पर बैन लगना चाहिए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने याचिका खारिज कर दी उसे। आप क्या मानते हैं इस पे?
जी मैं यही मानता हूँ कि हमारे देश में हमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर सुन लेना चाहिए, और वो जो भी कहते हैं और करते हैं बहुत सोच समझ के करते हैं। उससे बेहतर अगर कोई हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी हो तो वहाँ जा सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता नहीं। आई थिंक द मोस्ट लॉजिकल एंड द मोस्ट करेक्ट वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग एन आंसर टू अ सिचुएशन इज टू अपील टू द कोर्ट्स, एंड वट एवर द ऑनररी कोर्ट्स फील, आई थिंक वी मस्ट ऑल लर्न टू रिस्पेक्ट दैट। दैट्स ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से।
शाहिद आपने भी कहा, कंगना भी नहीं कहा कि आप दोनों के बीच में कोई सेट पर प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी रंगून के, लेकिन फिर भी बार बार आती है खबरें कि आप दोनों के बीच में प्रॉब्लम्स थी। क्या वजह मानते हैं इसकी?
मैं आप सबसे यही करूँगा, जस्ट टेक इट इजी ब्रो, टेक इट इजी, इट्स ऑल गुड।